The government has decided to end the air evacuation operation today from Yemen, but the evacuation by sea route will continue for some more time. The total number of Indian evacuees from war-ravaged Yemen touched the mark of 4,000 after 700 more Indians were rescued in 3 air sorties yesterday. While 600 were rescued by Air India, over 100 were evacuated from Al Hudaydah by INS Turkish. Meanwhile, 11 Indians who were evacuated by the Pakistani Navy from Yemen's southeastern city of Mukalla reached Karachi yesterday and are expected to return home today. India's successful evacuation of its citizens from Yemen has been appreciated globally. India has also received requests from 26 countries, including the United States, Bangladesh and Iraq, for assistance in evacuating their nationals from the strife-torn country. While Pakistan has not sought help for the evacuation of its nationals, India during the operation also rescued Pakistani nationals.
यमन से हम लोगों ने करीबन 4,000 से ज़्यादा लोगों को निकाला है। अभी कई जगह ऐसा हो सकता है कि थोड़े हमारे नागरिक, थोड़े उनके नागरिक इधर-उधर, लेकिन वहाँ ऐसी स्थिति है कि किसका कागज सब देखने में तकलीफ होती है। अगर हमारे कोई दूसरे राष्ट्र में पहुंचे तो उनको हम लोग लेके आएंगे।
भारतीय सरकार की तरफ से बहुत सहयोग मिला है। एम्बेसी में जाके तुरंत कार्रवाई हुई है, उसके बाद दूसरे दिन हम लोग यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं। अभी वहाँ पर भारतीय बहुत कम है, तकरीबन 500-600 और बचे होंगे, बाकी सब चले गए। डेली 3-4 फ्लाइट आती है। भारतीय सरकार की तरफ से बहुत सहयोग मिला है। एम्बेसी में जाके तुरंत कार्रवाई हुई है, उसके बाद दूसरे दिन हम लोग यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं। अभी वहाँ पर भारतीय बहुत कम है, तकरीबन 500-600 और बचे होंगे, बाकी सब चले गए। डेली 3-4 फ्लाइट आती है।
The conflict in Yemen has been on for a long time. Many would say, what took India so long? But the fact is, at the end of the day, can there be a better side for you as a citizen who is caught amidst conflict to see his or her own military stretching itself out across the ocean to take them back home? These planes, as well as ships from the Indian Navy and the planes from Air India, along with personnel from the MEA who are there on the ground processing the papers of all those people who want to come back from Yemen, are doing that glorious task. And perhaps there can be no greater achievement than the approach made by 23 nations, including the United States of America, to India, perhaps impressed by the kind of effort that we've been able to mount to get their citizens also back to them. With camera person Sanjeev Kumar in New Delhi, Jugal Purohit reporting for Headlines Today.